Phase day one of the shoot. On my way to the city. Catch y'all there. Just got into the city, right off the Amtrak from Harrisburg. About to go stop by B&H and see if I can grab some last minute gear. I'm gonna link up with Ant and we're gonna head over to Long Island City for the shoot. Let's go. It's crazy, I literally walked right out the Amtrak station, right to B&H, right on the corner. Alright, so we had an incredible shoot day over in Long Island City. I went over there and I linked up with my buddy Anthony Basil Rodriguez. He's an incredible film director and he's directed some documentaries that I've been in. So if you see in the bag there, we got the Artisans 7.5mm f2.8, and this is the second edition of this lens. So super thrilled to check it out. I mostly got this for a vlogging lens. I really wanted to get the 11mm Sony E mount. I think it's like f1 point something. I wanted it for a little bit lower light and for vlogging, but I kind of fuck with the fisheye, and it's easy to kind of stabilize the distortion or work with the distortion while you're playing with the camera, which I'll show you guys. I'll attach the lens on the camera and play around with it in this video. This lens has a really smooth focus ring. It's a manual focus, so even though it's E-mount, it's not going to work with the autofocus on my FX30. But I can focus it out all the way to infinity. I've seen some astrophotography photos with this lens, and it looks really, really great. Also, the aperture ring is pretty smooth. It doesn't click, which I would like if it would click, so I can make sure it's locked into the aperture I want while I'm shooting. But I haven't really bumped into it. The one annoying part is that the lens body is just so small that when I try and attach it to the camera, it just twists all of the dials here. I also picked up this, it's like a $30 side handle, which has been helping me to get some really stable shots. I'm thoroughly happy with it, especially with this fisheye lens. I can just hold it in my hand, and I was even just riding my e-scooter this morning, and I was able to hold it vertical with that top handle there. So really nice, really smooth, helped me stabilize everything out. So hopped off the train, right back in Harrisburg. It was a super long day. Like, I got to the Amtrak at like 9 a.m., got in the city, got everything done, including the stop at B&H, got some food, hopped back on the train, and scuttled my little butt all the way back to Harrisburg. So cool, quaint little station. Nothing as shiny as the New York Penn Station, but you know, something chill to slide into. So enjoy some of the sights of Harrisburg, shot through the Artisans 7.5mm. Again, this is my first time shooting with it, my first time shooting with a fisheye. I haven't been shooting that long, so I'm just getting to learn about my ISO and my aperture. But I think these shots came out pretty good. And this isn't even in log footage.